Hi there and welcome. In this short video, I'm going to present you our last Excel template. It is a disciplinary point system Excel template, and it is built completely in Excel, no other outside resources. So in this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to use this disciplinary point system, which is a complete solution, to say so, that will help you to manage all the employees' behavior, apply warnings fairly and fair warnings, to say so, and document everything related to that like a real HR department. From the beginning, I'm going to warn you that this isn't just a spreadsheet or like just a form. This is a complete automated solution system that will help you to handle all the infractions for up to 100 employees for 6 years in a row. While giving you a complete history of all the infractions for any of your employees, while staying consistent with your company policy. But let me give you just a quick overview of everything that the system is doing for the beginning. So this is the your main dashboard where you select the year and allocate the infractions. This is the employee per year where you have a complete history of the infractions for any employee. This is the disciplinary actions with the disciplinary log section and the section where the system recommends you when and what kind of disciplinary action you should take against the employees who broke the threshold. This is the your form warning that it is ready to be printed. You just have to change a few things in here, and everything else will be automatically displayed. And this is the settings tab. But let me give you this short overview of what the system does that I mentioned earlier. For the beginning, you have the option to record all your up to 100 employees with all the details in here. You have the option to customize a complete list up to 12 penalty types or infractions type, whatever you would like to call what kind of wording you're using. You have the option to customize the abbreviation for every type of infraction, and also allocate a specific number of points for every type of infractions. Above that, you have the option to record and customize a complete list up to 8 disciplinary actions you are applying against your employees. So customize here the list up to 8 disciplinary actions. You define your own thresholds with minimum and maximum points for every type of disciplinary action, and also you have the option to specify the validity of every action in days. So this documented verbal action, once applied, it is staying valid 200 days starting from the date it was applied. Above that, the systems offer you three types of rollover interval: fiscal year, standard year, and by number of days. So just select what kind of rollover type your company applies, and you select it from here. So you can use standard year, fiscal year, and by number of days. That last one meaning that you can select for example 90 days if you want rollover points and expired points older than 19 days. You can use fiscal year, or you can use for example 118 days if you want to roll over always the last 6 months for the penalty points applied. Okay. Further, you have the penalty points control where you simply, and all you have to do is to select the year and month and log the infractions for any day of the selected month and for any employee just by clicking and selecting the infraction abbreviation you have customized in the settings. So this list is basically what you have selected. You have logged in here for all your custom infractions, and the penalty points will automatically be calculated and recorded through the entire system. So this is everything you have to do here. If you want a full history of all the infractions allocated to any of your employee, just go to the employee per year tab, select the year and select the employee, and the system will tell you automatically when and what kind of infraction and it will notify you if a new disciplinary action is needed to be applied for this specific employee, like you see here. So Ava White, for example, no disciplinary actions are recommended because she doesn't have any infraction rule broken. For Jessica Smith, as you see here, it has a few infractions and no disciplinary actions are recommended because she already have a current action like terminal advisory notice, and when these disciplinary actions has been applied. You have next the disciplinary actions tab, where you have just to record the disciplinary action you applied on the left side, and the right side the system does everything for you, and it's telling you what kind of disciplinary action you should take against who and the date when the disciplinary actions should be applied, meaning the date here. It's giving you the points accumulated for the rollover interval and the points recorded since the last actions taken against her. Further, you have the action slip. This is the warning form that you will print and everything to do here is just to select an employee, and the system will give you a complete history of all the actions against that employee. If we have current actions, the date of it, the expiration of the current action, all the points for all the time with expired points, current points and points since last actions, and all you have to do is just to select an employee, and the system is giving you the full history, and this is a ready to print form. You have the option to customize the title for this, to define your warning form title. You have the option to customize here the message for your employee, and also the date for your company with the signature sections. So that is the quickest overview I could do for you. And in the next video I'm going to go through each part of this template step by step and present you everything that every tab it is doing, how it is doing, and what you should do. But basically you don't have to do absolutely anything excepting select year, select month, like I'm doing here. Let's go to January, select month, apply an infraction, and that is all. And after that, just check the disciplinary action and see what actions has to be applied and record the actions here according to the details from here. That is all you have to do. Thank you. Seeing you in the next video where I'm going through each part of this tracker step by step. Have a good day.